I, Chwanka Abdallah, solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me Allah. I, Chwanka Abdallah, solemnly affirm that I'll give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me Allah.
Cheyune Haruna Kasolo.
I, Cheyune Haruna Kasolo, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me Allah. I, Cheyune Haruna Kasolo, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I will give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me Allah. Allahu Akbar.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning once again. Thank you once again for joining us on the second day of the swearing in of members to the 12th Parliament of Uganda. At this juncture, I can authoritatively inform you that this morning on day 2, we have sworn in 86 members of Parliament, bringing us to a total of 270 members of Parliament sworn in as of right now. So we shall take a short break now, allow for other members of Parliament-elect to come and join us, and then we shall resume the swearing in at exactly 1 p.m. We thank you for joining us, and we look forward to having you join us once again at 1 p.m. Just to give you a recap again, so far this morning we have taken in 86 members of Parliament. Yesterday we swore in 184 members of Parliament, bringing us to a total right now of 270 members of Parliament sworn into the 12th Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. So we shall take a break now and return at 1 p.m. Thank you very much.